Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday. It's 12:15, and it's another day, another adventure. We're off to Mothecombe, which is on the south coast of Devon, which I haven't explored yet. That's the last bit of southwest coast path that I haven't done in this part of Devon. So now we're gonna go there. And then also, my girlfriend is still there. Hello. Hello. She wants to swim in the sea.
Of course.
Of course.
Always.
It's 15 degrees right now. It's not raining yet.
It's beautiful.
It's quite nice. So yeah, that's what she decided to do. So yeah, off we go to Mothecombe Beach, which is about an hour away from here.
Here.
Where we go now?
And we are going to the beach, but maybe we can go around this way.
Where are you gonna go for a swim? In that beach?
Yes, Mothecombe.
Mothecombe Beach. Okay.
Physically fabulous.
Let's go. So we got to the place. Now we're gonna hike to the beach, see how it looks like, and then go for a hike around the coast.
Yeah.
You sure?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. I haven't been here before. It looks very nice. The weather is okay. It's not too warm, not too hot. It's cloudy, but it should be nice. I might even fly my drone. Someone is surfing. So this house you can rent, apparently.
For the day, yeah, you have a telephone number over there.
Yeah. It's nice. You go for a swim and then go straight in. Light up the fire. Lovely. First kilometer. Windy. Bloody, I need to have a haircut, that's for sure. So this is a part of Southwest Coast Path, which goes alongside south of England. I think it goes through Devon. I don't know if it comes from Somerset. I think it starts in Somerset. It goes through Devon, Cornwall, North Devon, and probably somewhere else that I didn't mention. But I've walked quite a long distance of it. I haven't completed it yet, but I will at some point. So these are called field mushrooms. You can buy them in Sainsbury's, you can buy them in the supermarkets, and they also grow on the field, just like this. Oh, another one. This one's very nice. Beautiful. I think we're gonna stop here somewhere. Jonah's gonna go for a swim. It's actually nice and warm. It's 12th of October. Very nice. No energy today. Scary. It's a bit dodgy. Let's go. Small change of plans. We're going back to the beach for a swim, and then we're gonna drive back to Dartmouth because it's quite late and we still have other things to do, other plans. And yeah, there's not much daylight left. So see you at the beach. So we've collected some kite mushrooms. You can see on that field, there's loads of them. Over there, over there, over there. If you're vegan, you know them because you can substitute them for you can cook them like steaks. I don't know what we're gonna do with them. What are we gonna do with them?
Eat them all.
How are we gonna eat them? We've got quite a few. Yeah, the best way to do it, I think, is to
Soak them in the milk.
soak them in the milk.
And then you can get some plain flour and just fry them.
Yeah, fry them in flour.
You can get breadcrumbs as well and fry them.
Like something like schnitzel, I think.
Egg and breadcrumbs.
Egg and breadcrumbs. Yeah, but they're very popular in vegan community. Gone swimming, so now I need to go hide somewhere over there so I can whip my drone out and do some filming. See if I can catch her. How was it?
Amazing. You feel much better now.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm not going there. No way. No way, Jose. Just feet then. Okay. I would like to dedicate this hiking movie to my youngest fan. Her name is Amelia. She watches me every time I record these movies and she likes them, enjoys them, so I'd like to wish you a good day and I hope you enjoy my movies. And yeah, stay tuned because I will be posting them weekly like I do. And we're off to Madeira soon, so there'll be some nice videos from Madeira. But yeah, have a nice day, Amelia. Ha 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 ha. That's bloody cold. She said it was nice. I think she lied to me. It's bloody freezing.
Well done. Well done, my love. Love you so much.
I don't like it.
Why? Why not?
Because it's cold. I really recommend this place if you're in Devon and fancy some coffee in a nice place. Even in winter you can have a good time because they've got the heater there. And it's really comfy. Really old, very basic, like this thing there. It was made of scaffolding. Yeah, very nice and original. Some old painting pictures from back in the day. Very nice. Alright, back to the car now. I need to wash my car. I wanna wash my car.
No way.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now. But girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for?
So we're going to town. We couldn't get the bus because they cancelled it, and of course because this village we can't get a taxi either, so we're gonna have to walk. Do you like walking in high heels?
No.
You can place the
No,
bed.
it's okay. I don't mind.
Place the bet how many times you're gonna trip. Chop, 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 chop.
One hour later.
Whoa, oh la la. Oh,
6.5 hours later.
Very nice.
Pink and blue trees. Amazing.
They are LGBT plus Q something trees.
Well done.
Very nice.
Eventually.
Olive that one.
Olive Dublin, that's what you get. Josh.
Ja lubię starsze ludzi. To uwielbiam z nim pracować.
And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Don't stop the feeling. Don't stop the feeling. I know that I made up my mind. You made it for me. You're something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling.